Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk a little bit more about using peel and stick tile or peel and stick paper on top of a floor that already has tile. In the past, I posted a video about using peel and stick tile on top of a very low carpet, but this will be if you already have tile floors and you're just looking to make a cosmetic change. So I will say, long story short, the tile option is better as opposed to using the paper, but it really depends, and I talked about this on Instagram, but it really depends on the quality and brand of peel and stick paper. So, for example, before this, I applied a dark walnut wood peel and stick paper on my bathroom floor, and that didn't last so long just because it was so thin. But I used a white marble peel and stick paper in my previous apartment, and that was throughout the entire apartment, and it lasted almost 2 years. So from the moment we moved in, we did it about a month or so into our lease, and we removed it about a month before moving out. So 24 months, it was up for 22 months. And, we had people over a lot of the time, like on weekends, and we wore shoes inside the house, so it lasted. But yes, that's why I say it comes down to really the quality of the paper. But if you want to avoid that hassle or that trial and error, I would stick with the tiles.